Is your 2017 Acura MDX alarm constantly going off? It's a common problem, often linked to three main culprits: the hood and liftgate switch, the key fob, or the car's battery. The hood and liftgate switches can become misaligned, corroded, or simply faulty, sending false signals to the car's computer that the hood or liftgate is being opened. A weak key fob battery or signal interference can prevent it from disarming the system properly. Finally, a weak car battery, especially in cold weather, can also trigger the alarm due to voltage fluctuations. All these components send signals to the body control module, the car's central computer that processes inputs and activates the alarm. Addressing these core issues is key to stopping those false alarms. Let's tackle the troubleshooting and solutions for your 2017 Acura MDX alarm issues. We'll focus on the hood and liftgate switches, key fob, and battery. First, inspect the hood and liftgate switches for corrosion or damage. Use WD-40 to clean them, or replace with OEM parts for reliability. For the liftgate switch specifically, check the power liftgate close switch area as shown. Next, replace your key fob battery with a CR2032 type. Also, ensure there's no signal interference from other devices. Finally, test your car battery's voltage using a multimeter. If it's below 12 volts, replace it to prevent alarm triggers. If issues continue, Acura has technical service bulletins and recalls for alarm problems. Contact your dealer for software updates that reduce false alarms. Check Acura forums for DIY tips and report your issue to ENSA.